Stand ye Guamanians for your country, and sing her praise from shore to shore. For her honor, for her glory, exalt our island forevermore. For her honor, for her glory, exalt our island forevermore. May everlasting peace reign o'er us. May heaven's blessings to us come. Against all perils, do not forsake us. God protect our island of Guam. Against all perils, do not forsake us. God protect our island of Guam. Fanohge